G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Just had a fantastic workout, a little bit chillier here today in Canada where sun's out though, and beautiful morning. Just had a great workout with my son. So today we're talking about specificity, getting really specific in the setups that you execute at your best. So again, I come back to talking about really knowing your niche and then narrowing down the window that you're trading and understanding the different variations. So instead of focusing on one instrument, really get specific on the setups that you execute the best, and that it could be a buy low setup in an upward moving market. It could be a sell high setup in a downward moving market. Or it could just be a trend trade consolidation for an explosive move in your session. Have 2 or 3 setups that you can go to and really nail down the specifics around those. I had a exchange with a trader who asked me why I just didn't take an EMA crossover heading into CPI, because it would have easily given me a better fill. And as I explained to that trader, that's not part of my playbook. My playbook is to take the first bounce and not to get in front of volatility. I asked him how you could put size on an EMA crossover heading into major red news, and he said, "Oh, it's easy. I just use support and resistance levels." But if you take a look back at non-farm payrolls the week before, they put 50 pips down into the low of the session, low of the day on different pairs. So if you got in on the EMA crossover, I'm just curious, how could you ever put size on that? How could you put size on that and have 50 plus pips gap, even though there's an S&P gap? And if you're going to, as I call it, gamble, you're going to get lucky on a few, and you're going to have a real big payday or a payday. But then you're going to run the risk on the wrong day of getting spiked out or even wiped out. And as I mentioned, this traders, it's not necessary. There are plenty of great trades if you really master your setups and your templates and get very specific at what you're able to identify, so you know how they set up. Is the market moving lower? Talk about day 1, day 2, day 3. If the market's moving lower, I'm looking for sell high setups. If it's moving higher, I'm looking for buy low setups until we get to day 3 and the market's outside of the high or low of the week. And then we could be looking at the backside of the move on both those templates. So keep it simple, traders. Get very specific. Get out and enjoy your day, and may the markets go with you.